So as my title says, the reason why I'm not buying the new DJI Air 3. So I've just seen the launch of the new Air 3. I mean, I'll be honest guys, it looks amazing. I still got my old Mavic Air 2. It's a lovely drone. I mean, I still use it, but can I justify the price, the spec? End of the day, I'm just a hobbyist. Now, I will be honest. Now, I use my Air 2 mainly for long flights, especially when it's really windy, because I know it's a fantastic drone, the Mini 3 Pro, but when it's really windy and if I'm traveling a long distance, I don't want to sort of rely on that because it may not cope with the wind, because sometimes you can go to a location, it's really windy, whereas I know with the Air 2 no problem. So I'm just going to go through some of the spec, why I'm not really going with it. And obviously it comes with two new controllers. It comes with the RC2, which will have the screen on it. If you notice, it's got two antennas on it as well, which will give it further distance. Okay, so you're going to go further distance. I'm quite happy with the distance of these drones, even with the Mini 3 Pro. It will also come with another controller, a new controller, which is the RC2, which is the basic controller. Obviously, I would presume it to have the antennas on top of that for that further distance. It's also very similar to the Mavic 3. Now, the Mavic 3's been out for a while now. It's got some, I mean, the camera, you know, the camera, the zoom, those sort of things are amazing. It's also saying it's going to have longer flight time. Now, when they say longer flight time, we're probably talking an extra 5 to 10 minutes, which to me, that's no big deal. If you buy the combi kit anyway, you're going to get 3 batteries of it, and it's no big deal bringing the drone back in, flying out again. They seem to be going down this road now where you're going to get longer flight time. Obviously, what's going on now, batteries are getting far better now, far more lighter and easier to load up. But to me, that's not another selling point. Obviously, with the dual camera, there we come on to the specialized stuff. Now, to me, I'm just a hobbyist. I'm amazed what the Mini 3 Pro can do. For such a little drone, do I really need a high spec? It's not for me. People that know me, I'm Mr. Auto. I'm not into all the different gradings, and you can put it in cinematic mode. To me, guys, if you watch people's videos on YouTube, on the telly, it's still in 1080, or it's dumbed down to 1080. Yeah, you can go 4K, you can go 5K, but to me, that doesn't. I just enjoy flying. I watch a guy called Ted. I'll just put his channel there. A fantastic guy. He does some amazing stuff, and I think if you watch his latest video, he goes on about, I think sometimes we worry too much about, we've got to get the right settings, we've got to do this, we've got to do that. It's all going through your head. But at the end of the day, you just want to enjoy flying your drone. Okay, yeah, so it's nice to show your friends where you've been with the video and that. And if you want to go down the professional route, yeah, get this new Air 3 drone. But if you're just like me, a hobbyist, I can't justify the price. So the next big thing is the price. Okay, so if I just get the drone and the controller, which would be the RCN2, it's going to come to, because it's already let out slip on the UK Amazon site, it would come to £962, which, that's not a bad price, but then don't forget, that's not coming with the extras. But if I wanted the extras, it would whack it up to £1,199, and that's for the combo, for the Air 3 I'm talking about. Now, if I wanted the RC screen with it, which is the DJI RC2, so you've got your screen on there as well, that's going to come up with the combi pack I'm talking about, £1,499. £379. That's quite an expensive drone, and when you compare that with the Mavic 3 drones, there's not a lot of difference in there. And I mean, another interesting thing is, if you are thinking about buying a little older drone, which I'm talking about the Air 2S, which has got a 1-inch sensor camera on that, which to me I hear is far better than the 2 dual cameras you got on this Air 3 drone. You can get it on DJI at the moment. Now, because I'm in Spain, it's going to be in euros, guys. But if I just wanted to buy the drone with the controller, €799. Now that, to me, is a bargain. I'm not really big into the, because it's got a bigger camera. I'm quite happy with the camera on this drone. But if I wanted to buy the combo pack with the DJI Air 2S, God, there's so many numbers to remember, don't I? It's only €1,039, which to me, that's a bargain. I mean, when you compare the two prices, you know, the new Air 3, which is €1,379, or for a 1-inch sensor on the 2S, it's only €1,039. I mean, that, to me, a bit of a no-brainer. It'd be interesting to see, obviously now we're going to see all the top YouTubers saying that what a fantastic drone this is, the capabilities of this, no doubt it is. But I think just for a hobbyist, it's not for me. What I will say, no doubt later on this year, they'll be updating the Mini 3 Pro to the Mini 3 4. Now, I might be interested in that because I've heard of a few things on the grapevine. There could be something different going on there. But at the moment, I'm quite happy with my Mini 3 Pro. I'm still going to keep my 2S, my Mavic Air 2. Still a fantastic drone. Anyway, guys, hope you found that interesting. This is all for the hobbyists. If you're an enthused, a professional guy that wants to be doing estate work, estate agent work, things like that, yeah, go for it. But I think just for a hobbyist, it's a lot of money and a lot of that spec you're never going to use. So, as always, enjoy flying. I'll catch you on another video soon.